Hi, and welcome to the Media Asset Management Systems Guide. In this tour, we'll introduce the guide and show you how it works. The guide shows dozens of media asset management systems with detail pages for each. The target audience for the guide is decision makers considering the adoption of a MAM. Therefore, a primary criterion is matching user workflows to appropriate MAM systems. This covers a wide range of environments, from entertainment industry production to enterprise-level business. Here's how it works. In the guide, we have a long list currently at 56 systems, and it's displayed on 3 separate pages, controlled by these controls at the bottom of the page. For each system, there are a number of parameters listed. We have the organization behind it, whether it's a commercial system or whether it's an open source system. We have the workflows served, one of our most important things, and we'll get in a little bit to show you filtering it by workflows served. We also show the content managed by the system, the service method, whether it's run locally or cloud-based or hosted, the distribution method, whether it's proprietary or open source, and whether it's a subscription or a license. And for each of these, you can zoom in to see further details. If you click on Details, you'll be brought to the detail page for this particular MAM. And here we'll see a little bit more detail. For each system, we have a link to details on their website, a separate detail page for the organization, the workflows served by the MAM, the content managed by the MAM, the service method, and the distribution model. And then we have a little bit of notes at the bottom telling you a little bit more detail and maybe an extra couple of links, such as a chart of supported formats in this case. Since one of our primary concerns here is workflow, there is a separate table to explain just how the workflows are described. That table breaks down the list into separate categories for each workflow, and they're described here. So the best method is to find your workflow and filter the list to find the MAM that works for you. Say, for example, you're in production and editing, say on a film shoot, and you want to find the appropriate MAM. You can click on production and editing here, and that'll show you the 19 systems that match that criteria from a number of different vendors, offering a number of different ways of doing it. And for any one of those, of course, you can zoom in and see detail about it. So this is just part of the data. There's much more that's not posted for the public. If you'd like deeper details on these systems or consultation for your media asset management implementation, please contact Tony Brook. Despite talking about himself in the third person, he's actually pretty nice and would be glad to help you. And if you have a MAM to add or any corrections, please get in touch. Thanks for checking out the Media Asset Management Systems Guide.